Since our last video about DLive BTT staking, the lot of things have changed. So it dropped from 10% the yield rate to this amount 0.7, but I would say it's still higher than what Bank of America offers, which is 0.01. Here is 0.7, right? Okay, so okay, I understood. This part is clear. So we're still earning, but I staked out my BTT, but I'm not telling you. Just repeat after me what I'm doing and trust me 100%. Okay, just you have your own head. You decide what you wanna do. I'm just telling you my actions. So recently, the BTT price went up to this, like to, I would say, to here 0.01. When I was in it, it was around this, so it's up to 10 times. And yeah, I was really fascinated by this. Like, I didn't expect it because I thought BTT is like is not going to go up due to its like great market cap. It's there are lots of coins, and why would okay, just I didn't expect it. That's it. I didn't expect. And yeah, so I staked out mine. So it was on 4th April, and I staked out only today because it has like 14 days freezing. You can request and stake out after that only. So yeah, I staked out, and now I'm waiting to convert it to TRX, but now it's not the great time because the BTT is sort of down. The price of BTT is down, so I'm waiting it to go up again and convert to TRX. So just never mind, just telling you the fact. Okay, so let's close this. Now let me tell you about this Tron Foundation's new project called Tron Century Mining, which is launched on February 28th, almost 2 months. And what does it do? So it lasts till April, not April 5th, June 7th. Okay, why April 5th here? Because the most rewards will be distributed during this time, like till April 5th. And I missed it. It was like, so let me show you. So it can be accessible via Sun.io or JustLand. So let me show you using JustLand. So you just justland.org home, and here you have to yes, so here we go. It was like 30%, 10%, not just this 4. Okay, so I mean, like, the win and the Sun token is still high, so there is a hope always, and it's still higher than the DLive. So I mean, I'm thinking about it. But guys, what we should think about it, what's happening, what is this, like Sun.io, JustLand. So let me introduce you. I'm not really proficient with this liquidity mining. You just have to put both of this and just earn this APY, just yield. So let me explain you this one, how this supply mining works. So in this supply mining, you just have to put your TRX or BTC or anything that's here. Okay, I'm sure you have one, just GST. I had almost everything here except Ethereum and the Bitcoin and Sun. So you just have to supply it and calculate your profit. That's it. But why this shows like the fire? So why it has also like supply base API, supply mining API? That's the interesting question. Till June 7th, this will remain fire. Then it will go to the base API, which means this is not really like for 1 year. It's just till like 2 months it will remain this, and after that you will just have this base APY which is 0.02, and I bet it's less than bank savings or almost equal. But how does this generate money? Is this just like free money? Actually, no, this is not free money at all. How this works? So people need to borrow. Okay, so let me go to the market. People borrow. Let's say people want to borrow TRX, and here is the supply. It means how many people wants to give loan and how many people wants to take loan. And this is active loan. This is active loan givers. And Just Lend is about that. You lend your money, okay? And this is profitable for them, right? Because they earn 2.14 and give you just 0.02. But you might think like, why it's 4.56? It's not sustainable for them. Yes, you're right. And for that, the Tron Foundation has this budget, okay? They are subsidizing it. Here we go. Tron will subsidize Tron Century mining without limit, okay? And it will provide 5 token gift pack of 50%. So let's say you're lending the TRX, you'll get 1% TRX, Sun in 0.68, etc., etc. But you have to do your own research as well, okay? I'm not your like financial advisor and like legal something. I'm just a guy on YouTube. So let me show you mine. So I supplied, I actually supplied more. I just withdrew mine recently, and I'm going to put somewhere else. I will show you after that. So here we can see this. I supplied, let's say you supplied in USDT, so you'll get 5 token as a reward, which is BTT, GST, TRX, and Sun, Win. And this is Bitcoin standard hash rate. It's just useless, I guess. You can't sell it, you can buy it, just nothing, okay? You'll get these rewards. I think it's awesome that you'll get these rewards. And also the thing to notice that in your asset, my assets, you shouldn't really transfer this. So let's say you stake a Sun, or let's say you stake a Tron, you'll receive this token, okay? Just TRX. Wait a minute. How it can be? Okay, never mind. So you'll receive this, and you shouldn't transfer it to anyone or do anything, okay? Just leave it, hide it there. I hide it so I can't touch it accidentally or something. This is your check, the check that you staked so much, okay? I staked, let's say, and this is my check. Why you shouldn't transfer it? Because this gives you ownership of your supply. If you gave it to someone else, you're gonna lose it, and someone just gonna gain it, okay? So be careful about it. I don't want you to lose your just money because you transferred these useless coins. No, it's not useless, okay? Also, where I'm supplying my money, if I'm supplying it, it doesn't mean it's 100% safe and stuff, but just want to show you guys. So I'm supplying at this locked staking of Binance officially. We just understood that this Just Lend earns money through borrowing and supplying, giving loans and taking loans from others. Okay, this is sustainable. Just seems sustainable, okay? What about Binance? How it works? So here also, but 34% and 15 days. So it's more like cooler. I think you can just do the math. They will do the math for you. Like you're gonna earn 28, for this 15 days. And I think this is good, and you can touch it, while here you can withdraw anytime, your rewards. But these mining rewards will come every Monday. So that's it. Unfortunately, this 60 days and 90 days already sold out, so you can buy it only this 30 days and 15 days. Yes, I'm putting here my money, so I think this is really juicy API. You can also just apply it in other forms. The most juiciest one is this ADX, which is 46%. But what does this do? Does Binance give loans too? Why would they do it? Like, you might think like that, right? Just like Justland. You might be wrong, or I might be wrong. Do your research. So, as they said on the here, lock staking is about how I could say, it's about proof of holding, proof of, I guess I forgot, proof of staking, something like this, like the let me search for it. Binance staking. Oh yeah, proof of staking. So, oh no, never mind. Proof of staking coins. Okay, so yeah, there was like a tutorial, I guess, but it's suddenly not here anymore. Okay, wait. Binance locked staking and ads locked staking. Okay. I guess this one. Yes, so you can see this video from Binance. It says by staking our let's say TRX, we're basically making the life of blockchain easy, because the blockchain is not working, is chilling. I mean, it's not just stopped working totally. No, it's just part of users stopped working, only part of, because not everyone is going to stake, right? So blockchain is gonna rest, and the like the pressure on it is gonna chill, and basically it's like useful, I guess, some kind of useful for the blockchain, like the hacker attack, I guess, like something like that. And yeah, that's why they reward you like this. And I guess it's directly like the supported by the Justin Sun, right? Because he did some talks here on the Binance, and let's go to his Instagram. Justin Sun, yeah, we can see here in his Instagram that he started to mention Binance somewhere. So TUSD, no. Okay, not here. I guess he just, yeah, I mean, he posted on his stories, but I guess he didn't post on the post. So again, never mind. But yeah, he was invited to talk on this. I guess, yeah, he staked it because it's in his interest too, and by this, like, the new users gonna know what's TRX and etc. And look at this, it's on the top, right? Like, the investors might not go like, oh, what's in the bottom, like they just gonna be like, oh, TRX IOST, what is this, let me invest money, and the money goes in, investments goes in. Yeah, that's it, guys. I bet now, I guess now you should do your own research. I gave you solely my opinion. Okay, it's not the fact, it's not some kind of things, and that's it, guys. So also be careful, like if you're investing like your last money, you just can't really withdraw it until 15 days or 30 days. So like think about your bread too, like put some 3x left on your wallet, okay, for some transactions, or like for like anything, like smart contract trigger, anything, okay? So be careful. Good luck. I'm gonna miss you till the next video. Bye.